The only boxes left out of the case were 1 and 3 for the Gold Rush jerseys. So I'm not going to roll and go through you guys' teams. John H. has the Lions and the Patriots. Jeremy S. has the Bears, Chiefs, and Raiders. Edgar M. has the Broncos, Packers, Texans, Giants, Jets, Rams, Niners, Bucks, and Titans. David K. has the Steelers and Redskins. Tim C. has the Vikings. Timothy P. has the Dolphins. William P. has the Cowboys. Rich R. has the Cardinals, Colts, Bengals, Eagles, Browns, and Falcons. John M. has the Chargers, Panthers, and Bills. The Ravens, Jags, Saints, and Seahawks went unsold. Starting for box 1. Alright, here we go. First jersey. Good luck, guys. Hopefully we got some nice hits in here. It's the Bears. Okay, Kevin White. No. Oh, Dick Butkus. Dick Butkus. It's a nice hit for the Bears. Jeremy S. had the Bears. I think he's got a win in each break. Okay, box 3. Last one. This break. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Oh, nice hit for the Steelers. I've never seen his autograph before. This Troy Polamalu. That's a nice hit. One of the better defensive players in this era. David K. had the Steelers. He's going to get the Polamalu jersey.